Hello students, today we're going to talk about rational functions and how to find the horizontal asymptotes. And to do this, we're going to look at the degrees on the top and the bottom. Now remember that a degree is the highest exponent. So whatever function you have on top, you look for the highest exponent, and that's the degree of the top. And then same thing on the bottom, you look for the highest exponent, and that is your degree on the bottom. Okay, so to remember how to find the horizontal asymptote, we have this acronym that will help you remember how to find it. It's Bob-Yo, Bot-No, Eats DC. And here's what Bob-Yo stands for. It's if the degree is bigger on the bottom, then your horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. And then Bot-No stands for bigger on top, there is no horizontal asymptote. Now there would be an oblique asymptote, but you're going to learn about that when you go on to pre-cal. And then the last one, Eats DC, stands for if the exponents are the same, then you will divide the coefficients, and that will give you the equation for the horizontal asymptote. Okay, so memorize these acronyms and it will help you learn how to find the horizontal asymptote. So let's do some examples. Okay, in example number 1, we have y equals 3x plus 7 divided by 5x minus 2. So if you look at the degree of the numerator is 1, because my highest exponent right here would be a 1, because we assume that that has a 1 there. And this one has a degree of 1 also. So if you go back to your acronym, the exponents are the same, and so you need to divide the leading coefficients. So the leading coefficients are right here, and we're going to divide those. So my horizontal asymptote would be the equation y equals 3 over 5. And it's very important that you write it as an equation, y equals, because again, that's going to give you the equation for a horizontal line. Okay, example 2, on the top we have a degree of 2, and on the bottom we have a degree of 3. Okay, so this one follows the bigger on the bottom, so Bob-Yo, which means that your horizontal asymptote will be the equation y equals 0. Okay, in our last example for this video, you have the equation y equals x squared divided by x plus 1. The degree on the top is 2. Degree on the bottom is 1. So this follows the acronym Bot-No, which means that for the horizontal asymptote we will have none. So you will not have a horizontal asymptote. Again, you will have an oblique asymptote, but that's something that you will talk about in pre-cal. Okay, so that's our lesson. Tomorrow we'll do some practice problems, but just work on memorizing this acronym that I put in this video.